In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Sendwave app. By the end, you'll have the app installed and be ready to start the quick setup. This works on both Android and iPhone, and it only takes a few minutes. Before you begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a little free storage space. Start by opening your phone's App Store. On Android, that's the Google Play Store. On iPhone, it's the App Store. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe down and use your phone's search bar to find it quickly. Opening the correct store ensures you get the official app with built-in security checks and automatic updates. Next, use the search bar at the top and type the exact name. Sendwave, send money. Take a moment to look at the results and choose the listing that matches that title. You can also glance at the app's rating and reviews to confirm it's the legitimate version. The official listing will clearly show the Sendwave brand and it's free to download. If you see similarly named apps, stick with the one that matches the title you type to avoid lookalikes. Now download the app. On Android, tap install. On iPhone, tap get. You may be asked to confirm with your fingerprint, Face ID, or your App Store password. That's normal. The download progress bar will appear, and depending on your connection, this should only take a moment. If you're on mobile data and want to save your plan, consider switching to Wi-Fi. Once it finishes, you'll see the Sendwave icon on your home screen or in your app list, and you can open it directly from the store page as well. After it's downloaded, open the app and follow the setup or sign up instructions on screen. This typically includes selecting your country or region, verifying your mobile number, and creating a secure passcode. If your phone supports it, you can enable Face ID or fingerprint login for faster, safer access. The app may ask for permissions like notifications. These can be helpful so you get instant updates on transfers. Keep your verification codes private and only enter them inside the app. If you plan to send money right away, it's useful to have your recipient's details and a valid ID handy for any required verification, but you can always complete that later. That's it. You opened your app store, searched for Sendwave, send money, downloaded the app, and began the setup. If you need to, pause and replay any part until you're comfortable. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Sendwave for fast, convenient transfers.